Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Apple's audio technology as we explore everything you need to know about the AirPods Pro 3. With rumors swirling about 7 major upgrades, you might be wondering whether to grab the current AirPods Pro 2 at a discount or wait for the latest and greatest iteration. Let's unpack these leaks, discuss the enhancements, and help you decide. The AirPods Pro 2 have set the gold standard for wireless earbuds since their release over 2 years ago. They've reigned as the best-selling earbuds on Amazon, praised for their stellar sound quality, reliable software, and sleek design. But Apple is raising the stakes with the AirPods Pro 3, rumored to launch this fall. With massive improvements on the horizon, let's analyze each of the 7 significant upgrades Apple is bringing to the table. Upgrade 1, a redesigned case. Apple is reportedly revamping the AirPods Pro 3 case to mirror the design changes introduced with the AirPods 4. The new case is expected to be more compact, enhancing portability and ease of use. Not only will the case be smaller, but it will also feature a buttonless design for seamless connectivity. A simple double tap on the case is rumored to replace the need for a physical connect button, making the overall aesthetic more minimalist. Another rumored tweak involves the LED indicator, which may now shine through the case material itself, creating a clean, polished look. This update not only modernizes the design, but also helps Apple streamline manufacturing, ultimately reducing costs. Upgrade 2, heart rate monitoring. The second major upgrade is a game-changer for health enthusiasts, heart rate monitoring. This feature could extend Apple's health ecosystem beyond the Apple Watch, offering basic health tracking through the AirPods. Given the massive market for AirPods, Apple sold 75 million pairs in 2023, compared to 38 million Apple Watches. This feature has the potential to make health tracking more accessible to a broader audience. Imagine your earbuds detecting irregular heart rhythms and prompting you to seek medical advice. This innovation could save lives, especially among elderly users or those hesitant to invest in a full-fledged health device like the Apple Watch. Upgrade 3, enhanced hearing aid features. Apple has already introduced hearing aid capabilities in the AirPods lineup, but the Pro 3 is set to optimize this functionality. Tailored specifically for those with hearing difficulties, the new model aims to provide a more affordable alternative to traditional hearing aids. From custom hearing tests to enhanced sound amplification, the Pro 3 could transform how we think about assistive technology. Whether you're on the fence about needing a hearing aid or simply looking for multifunctional earbuds, this upgrade has immense potential. Upgrade 4, a faster audio processing chip. Every new generation of AirPods brings advancements in processing power, and the Pro 3 is no exception. Powered by the rumored H3 chip, this upgrade will boost performance across the board, from faster connectivity to enhanced audio quality. The H3 chip is expected to improve active noise cancellation and transparency mode, enable seamless device switching between iPhone, iPad, and Mac, offer better battery management, and potentially lower latency for gamers. Whether you're streaming music, attending virtual meetings, or immersing yourself in spatial audio, the Pro 3 promises a smoother, more responsive experience. Upgrade 5, superior active noise cancellation. The AirPods Pro 2 set a high bar for active noise cancellation, ANC, but Apple is aiming even higher with the Pro 3. Leveraging digital ANC technology, the new model could rival premium headphones like the AirPods Max. In addition to better noise cancellation, the Pro 3 is rumored to refine its transparency mode, already considered the best in the market. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet office, this upgrade ensures you'll hear exactly what you want, and nothing more. Upgrade 6, improved fit and comfort. Comfort is crucial for prolonged use, and the Pro 3 is rumored to feature a redesigned earbud shape. While retaining the popular rubber ear tips, Apple may adjust the bulb design for a more ergonomic fit. Drawing inspiration from the AirPods 4, which are widely praised for their comfort, the Pro 3 could become a go-to choice for users seeking both style and long-term wearability. Upgrade 7, enhanced sound quality. No AirPods update would be complete without a boost in audio performance, and the Pro 3 is no exception. Apple is likely to introduce new speaker drivers, potentially incorporating a dual driver system to separate bass and treble for a richer sound experience. There's also speculation about the addition of wireless lossless audio, enabled by the H3 chip. If true, this would deliver studio-quality sound, taking full advantage of Apple's growing ecosystem, including the Vision Pro headset. Should you wait for the AirPods Pro 3? Now comes the million-dollar question. Should you wait for the Pro 3 or snag the current model at a discount? If you're someone who values cutting-edge features like heart rate monitoring, improved noise cancellation, or lossless audio, it might be worth waiting. On the other hand, if you're satisfied with the Pro 2's already excellent performance, the current Amazon deals make them an unbeatable value. At just $190, they're a steal for anyone seeking high-quality earbuds without breaking the bank. Final thoughts. The AirPods Pro 3 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade, offering something for everyone, from audiophiles and health-conscious users to those seeking ultimate convenience. With features like heart rate monitoring, enhanced ANC, and improved comfort, they promise to set a new standard in the world of wireless earbuds. So, which of these upgrades excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for more in-depth tech insights and updates. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.